Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clone your voice with ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to ElevenLabs.io and sign into your account. Now, before we start, we need to go ahead and record in a quiet room. Use a good microphone if possible. Speak naturally and clearly. Avoid any background noises, music echo, or multiple speakers, and record only one person's voice. Now, in saying that, we want to go ahead and click onto the Voices tab on the left-hand side, and then click on Create Voice. And now we've got a few options here. Now click onto Instant Voice Clone, so you can clone your voice of only 10 seconds of audio. So click onto that option. Now on the next page, we can either click to upload or drag and drop, so audio or video files up to 10 megabytes of size, or we can simply record the audio and at least 10 seconds of audio is required. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm going to click on record audio, and I've got this prompt on the top right hand corner. This prompt is good for cloning your voice. Now what we need to do is click on record audio, and I'm going to read this text out. So record audio, click on make sure you choose your microphone. So this is my microphone I'm using, and then click start. That's going to give a countdown. Hello, this is a sample recording for voice cloning. I'm speaking naturally at a steady pace with clear pronunciation. Today is a great day to create realistic AI voices. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Thank you for listening. Then once you finish, go ahead and obviously stop. And then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto next. Now we want to go ahead and give this a name. I'm going to call this my name. We can select the value here. So I'm going to select English. We can add another label, give it a description, and check that box and click on Save Voice. Now, before you do that, you can go ahead and preview the voice, see if it sounds like my current voice.
Baking is sharing love in the form of warm cookies.
That's interesting. It's not too bad. So click on Save Voice. And now to save the voice, you need to have either a creator, pro, or scale business plan to save your cloned voice. I'm on a free version for these demonstrations, but yeah, that's how to clone your voice inside of ElevenLabs.